Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we made the best native coconut rice, and this is the best coconut rice recipe you ever have, and I'm not even kidding. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please do well to click on the subscribe button. Let's get into the video. I'll be working with these two large coconuts. I'm going to break the coconut into smaller pieces. Then using my knife, I'm going to separate the meat from the back. Be careful when you are doing this so you don't hurt yourself. This is the amount of coconut I could get. I'm going to wash it and then proceed to blend it. Because I'm not working with a high power blender, I'm going to cut my coconut into smaller sizes and then proceed to blend it. If you have a high power blender, go ahead and just use it. So I'm going to transfer the coconut into my blender, add water, and then proceed to blend it. Blend it for like 2 minutes until it is well blended. I'm done blending here and I'm going to sieve my coconut. I'm going to use this cheesecloth to sieve it. Make sure that when you are sieving this, your hands are clean so you can be able to use your hand and press out the remaining liquid. So here is the coconut milk. I'm going to set it aside. Here are the ingredients I'll be working with. I have pepper mix, which is made up of shombo and Scotch bonnet pepper, smoked Kpanla fish, of course the star of the show, which is my coconut milk. I have my washed dried fish. I have onions, use lots of onions. I have my scent leaf as well as smoked fish. Next thing to do is to add your oil to your dried pot. So if you have coconut oil, please use it because it heightens the flavor of the coconut, but I do not have, so I use vegetable oil. So I added my thyme, my ginger and garlic paste. Stir it and allow it to fry for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you introduce your onion to the oil. You are going to stir it and allow it to cook for 1 minute so that I can introduce the flavor of the onions to the oil. After 1 minute, you are going to add your pepper mix. After adding it, you will stir it and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. So this is after 2 minutes. We are going to start introducing the other ingredients now. So I'm going in with my smoked Kpanla fish, and then I'll also throw in my washed smoked fish. I'm going to give this a good mix and then allow it to fry for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes, I'm going to add my seasoning cube. I use 2 seasoning cubes. Then I'll add salt, just add a bit of salt, stir it and allow it to fry for another 1 minute. So after 1 minute, I'm going to add my meat stock, which I got by boiling my beef. I'm going to stir this and then I will now introduce the star of the show, which is my coconut milk. I'm going to add my coconut milk, and be careful because the amount of coconut milk liquid you are going to add is the amount of liquid you are going to use to cook your rice. So I'm going to give this a good mix and then I'll introduce my rice. By the way, I washed my rice with salt and hot water and I washed it till it was thoroughly clean. I did not parboil it. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix. And when I am satisfied that it is properly mixed, while you do this on a medium heat, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. By the side, I'm going to be cutting my scent leaf, so do not cut this on time because it will change color. I'll also cut my green pepper. Of course, you know me and veggies are 5 and 6. After 20 minutes, I'm going to check on our rice. And at this point, it is ready to receive another ingredient. So I'm going to add my smoked fish as well as my scent leaf. I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix. You can see that our rice still has water, has little water. So this is the best time for you to introduce these 2 ingredients. So you're going to mix this very well. And then after mixing, we are going to cover it using our foil. So the reason for using this is that it will trap the moisture and the rice will be able to cook properly. Also ensure that you are cooking your rice on your heat at this point. So this is after 8 minutes. We are going to introduce our green pepper as well as our fried meat. So I added it because I like meat. I don't want to work with only fish. If you don't want, you can skip this. I'll go ahead and give this a good mix, and after mixing it, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for just 2 minutes. So this is after 2 minutes, and at this point we are done cooking. We are just going to go ahead and give this a stir, and we are also going to off our gas at this point. After stirring it, you are going to bring it down, and then you are going to dish your food. So your food is ready. You can see that it's actually very easy, and it also tastes so delicious. I bet you if you recreate this video, you will come back and thank me. If you don't like it, come back and tell me on the comment section. Though I know it's going to be a positive comment, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you so much for watching up until this moment. God bless you. Bye.